here. My Vito van W639 model is due to have its shock absorbers replaced. One of the rear ones had collapsed completely, all the oil came out. So this video is on how to replace the rear shock absorbers. It's a very simple project, very easy to do it yourself. Only took me about 40 minutes, so it's only a 4-minute video, so hopefully you'll find it helpful. Thanks. So I've lifted the rear of the van with my spider lift. I've put a chock under the front wheel so it can't move, and the first job to do is to take the rear wheel off. Moving the rear shock is a very simple project. You just have to undo these two bolts and take it out. They're 21mm. And I'm going to use the impact driver. So that's how simple it was to remove. My new KYB gas adjust shock absorber, so I just have to bolt that on, just like that. I've put a little bit of anti-seize grease on the threads. I'm just lifting the suspension only by a couple of millimetres, just to get this bottom bolt in. So that's it, that's how simple it is to change it. I just have to torque the bolts up. When you put the top bolt in, don't forget there's two washers. So one on the bolt head side and one on the back. And there's no washers at all on the bottom. So the torque specification is 130 Newton meters. There you go, finally. That'll give you an idea of how bad those shockies were. This is the one I just took off the left hand side of the vehicle, and look at that. There's just nothing there. There's still a bit of gas in it, but it's just nothing. And this is the new one. You can see that actually provides some rebound and compression damping, but that one there doesn't, and I can see where it's been leaking. I think it's lost half its oil. Wheel nuts up to 110 Newton meters. And that's because I do have a little bit of anti-seize grease on them, so I just reduce it a bit. There, that's it, that's how easy it is. So hopefully that helps you. Thanks for watching.